For today's videos, ito yung non-return valve natin guys. Oh. Yan. 1 and 2. Ginagamit po yan guys sa fire pump natin guys. Or sa ballast pump. May passing na siya guys, kaya mahina yung pressure ng fire pump natin guys. Palitan na talaga to. Pero bago ba ito guys, nire-repair muna natin guys. Sa katabi na guys, may barbula yan guys, kung kaso may passing. Yan, tatanggalin natin yan guys. Saka lagyan ng plants. Yung butas na yan, tatakpan yan guys. Ito na yung finished product guys. Yan. Saka may sa loob dyan guys, may lagayan lang rubber o-ring guys. Yan. Guys,
lagayan ng rubber guys.